start. Hello and welcome to Brand Tips, and today we are in conversation with Mr. Enkash Babber, the Executive Director of Rallison. Thank you for talking to us. So what's your vision at Rallison?
So we're looking to actually change the market in terms of cable designing.
Sure.
So what is currently happening is a major segment of our industry is just focused on cheaper products.
Right.
And because of the influx of a lot of products from other countries also, and in general price conscious market. But what we're not realizing is the cost of the lifetime of the product.
Okay.
So we are focusing now on educating the customers about how a product can reduce the cost
Okay.
during the lifetime, at the same time being environmentally sustainable.
Okay.
So two angles of it. So you don't
Sure.
have to empty out your pockets to get a product which is more environmentally
Right.
sustainable or more environmentally conscious. So that is what
Okay.
we're aiming at.
Sure. So what are your key offerings?
So we're currently manufacturing all types of cables. Apart from that, we offer cable designing services to electrical consultants and clients so that they know whether they're using the right type of cable or not. Is it optimum to the design or to the requirement or not in terms of quality as well as cost?
Okay.
A few special types of cables would be electric cables for electric vehicles, supplying to companies like Hexacom, and then we have solar cables being supplied to all major solar players. And essentially, solar is also one area where there's environment sustainability involved, and EV also.
Okay.
And so we're focusing on these products. Plus, we are designing the cables so that the life is much longer.
Okay.
So if you have a cable which is lasting 7 years, it'll have a much higher carbon footprint
Sure.
than a cable which is lasting for 15 years.
Okay.
Even though the initial carbon footprint of the 15-year cable may be high, but you'll have to replace the 7-year one once
Okay.
again after 7
So
years.
eventually,
So it increases by a much higher margin. Third, we're focusing on is fire safety.
Okay.
So we have a product which is fire survival cables,
Okay.
and these continue to operate even if there is a fire in a building, allowing people 3 hours to evacuate.
Okay.
And it will have lower smoke,
Okay.
no toxicity. So what that does is that most deaths happen because of lack of visibility and evacuation,
Okay.
and choking because of smoky gases.
Okay.
So this is targeting that, and EV and solar cables are targeting more towards sustainability and environment friendly.
How big is the market size for you?
So it's growing currently. So it is going to grow. It's not really stabilized yet to be actually talking about a number, that various numbers, but it is going to be growing in the next 5 to 10 years.
Okay. And what's your plans for next 5 years?
So we're focusing on educating the customer right now. We just joined a couple of organizations also to inform how products can pay for themselves in 3 to 4 years.
Sure.
Just by paying slightly extra in the beginning.
Okay.
And also increase the life of the product.
Okay.
So currently that's our focus, and we plan to expand all over India. And then
can you share some global trends?
Global trends in terms of wires and cables. So optical fiber is something that is picking up, and another common trend that is coming up is increase in the temperature rating of insulation of wires.
Okay.
So generally earlier it used to be 70 degrees.
Sure.
Then it became 90 degrees. Now we are offering products which can sustain up to 120 degrees.
Okay.
So what that does is, so why is it important also is because of electric vehicles. The lower the weight,
right,
the better the efficiency of the car in terms of mileage. You don't call it mileage in in terms of electric vehicles, but essentially how long they can run in 1 unit of electricity. So by reducing the weight, that goes up.
Okay.
And by going to products 120 degrees or 140 degrees, 150 degrees, we can make a product with a higher current rating with a lower weight.
Oh, wonderful.
So that is, and also we are manufacturing these cables in aluminum conductor.
Okay.
They also reduce the weight drastically.
Oh, wonderful.
So these are a few areas which will be coming up in the next year.
Wish you good luck for it. Thank you for
Thanks
talking to us. Thank you.